Today I'm going to be unboxing the Pastel Roses small mystery box, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, then just keep watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. Yes, so today we are unboxing a brand that I have not used before and it's my first time purchasing them, and it's the Pastel Roses. So this is a brand that I found on Instagram and they are an indie brand based in the UK. So I saw that they had a discount on top of their already discounted mystery bundle, so I purchased the small bundle, which I purchased for £11.99, and I think the worth inside is £25. If it's still available, I will put up a picture here just so you can see the different versions. So it turned up in a really small box like this, and it has two little cards inside. One of them says thank you for your purchase, which is always really lovely. At the back it says they have a loyalty program, and then on the other bit of cardboard, bit of paper, is promoting one of their new collections. So let's have a look at the mystery box itself. So I have already had a peek, but I don't know essentially what's in there, so I'm just going to take it out of the box. So it's a pre-made little pack like this, so it comes in this beautiful paper, which I really like, and then it comes in this bubble wrap, which is always really handy. And so when I know what's inside, but I don't know. So basically, because the value of this box is like £25, it comes with 6 different shimmers. So I've never, like I mentioned, I've never purchased from this brand before, but I do know obviously that they sell eyeshadows and duochromes and stuff like that. So I'm assuming this might be some like older stuff because they have a lot of new things coming out. But when I look at the box, it just has the name of the shade, so I don't actually know what the shade is. So I thought I would open them up and swatch them on camera for you guys so you can see what everything looks like. So on the back they're all listed as pressed eyeshadows, so I'm very intrigued. Let's go in with the first one because this is called Riverside. So it's also got a little protective on there. I think that might be the magnet, if you guys obviously want to put it into a pan. So wow, that is a beautiful blue. So let's give this all a swatch because again I want to see what the quality is like. So I'm just gonna take on my finger, oh my god, and we are gonna swatch on my arm. Oh, that's stunning. So yeah, that is the shade Riverside, and that is the first shade that I have in my mystery box. And so the second shade we have, I believe, is called Modern. Apologies if I do not pronounce it properly. Oh, this is a gorgeous gold tone. Oh my god, that's insane. Okay, let's give this another swatch as well. This is going to go right next to Riverside. Holy moly, wow. It's very it's like very chunky. I think I have taken like a big swatch, so it's probably my own fault, but that is wow. The third shade is called Vintage Rose, and let's have a little surprise. Oh, okay, this is kind of like a rose type of shade, which is right up my street. I love these type of rose tones. Oh my god, I'm really like, I think the shades by themselves are like. Next we have the shade Sparkle, so let's open this one up and give it a look. This is a gold shimmer, so I'm gonna take a small swatch because these are very intense. So that is, oh my god, these are insane. So the next shade is called Love Spell, so let's have another look. Oh my god, so this is like a blue pinky tone, and again let's take a little swatch. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, I don't know, I keep on saying oh my god, but these are really insane. Okay, and then last but not least is the shade Velvet. So this is a nice bright pink. So pink is not normally my shade, but to be using this one and trying it, holy moly. Going through them again, we have Riverside, Modern, Vintage Rose, Sparkle, Love Spell and Velvet. So I actually can't believe this will cost me £11.99, and I know I mentioned that some of this is probably older stock, but to be honest these look like they're going to last me a very long time. Please give these guys a look on Instagram, especially if you're from the UK. I love talking about indie brands because they just need so much love. They are obviously working their butts off to make a living, and I know it's a really quick video, but I just really wanted to unbox it and show you guys and know that I will definitely be purchasing them in the future. So if you have purchased anything from them, please let me know. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because I film and upload every time I get a chance to. Don't forget to follow me on any of my social medias because I'm always active on there, and I'm just absolutely stunned, and I will be using these in a future video. Hope to see you very soon. Bye bye.